This is Samsung Galaxy F14, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and make it into a PDF file on this device. So to begin with, find and launch the Google Drive app. That's the app that you get alongside the system itself. Should get it automatically downloaded and installed, so you will not have to get any external or third-party apps. So that's convenient. In here, let me quickly enter my Google account password in order to proceed. Or rather, so I can proceed. So, once launched and signed into, you will have this little plus icon to your bottom right, which you want to tap. Go for the scan option, grant Google Drive app the camera permission, then take the document that you wanted to make the scan out of and take a decent picture of the said document. If you are satisfied with the result, just proceed by tapping at the OK button. At the following interface, you can rotate your scan, change its color scheme, and crop the original image and choose what part of it will be framed and used in the final PDF file. Then hit the save button. In here you can rename the file if you would like to, and change the path for it to be saved. Now wait for the document to get uploaded to your drive, and well, here you have it already. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.